Hey guys, so it is your girl Candy again, and tonight's video, yes, tonight, hence I'm not sure if the lighting is even all that, but we're working with it nevertheless. But yeah, today's video is a quick ponytail that I'm going to be doing on my own hair. My hair was a tangled mess not too long ago, and I just went ahead and dampened it a little bit and try to detangle it as much as I can. And so yeah, I don't know why, but for some reason I'm never able to find the time to do my own hair. It's not even the easiest task. If anybody out there does their own hair, it's not necessarily the easiest thing to do, and so I tend to procrastinate where that is concerned. And so having met upon a situation where I need to be going out and my hair is not necessarily in a condition where it is roadworthy, I am having to come up with something, just to make me look somewhat half decent. So yeah, quick ponytail. That was a long intro, but y'all know how it is. Anyway, so let's get going. I'm going to pretty much it's simple, you guys. It's gonna be a low ponytail, and I'm just loosening these twists so that I can start to make my part. I'm doing a side part, and yeah, just follow the tutorial, you guys. Pretty simple, yes. Alright, so I'm going to be doing a side part, somewhat of a deep part. Let's try a zigzag part just to add a little something special to the style, since there's not much going for it on its own. So I'm doing a zigzag parting. Okay, so now that the parting is out of the way, yes, let me move on. I'm going to be using to slick my hair down this gel that I also love. It is the Wet Line Extreme, and it has no alcohol, so it is not very drying to the hair. Yes, it is hardening as most gels are, but it doesn't dry out the hair. Alright, so I like to make my ponytail, especially if it's a low ponytail, I like to make it in two phases. So I do the back first, just to give it a sleeker, hold. Okay, so now the back is out of the way. We're gonna work on the front. I just find it easier to tackle them separately, because usually when I try to make one, you know, one sleek ponytail back, it's not very smooth. So yeah, this is a tactic that I have found to be effective for me. So yeah, let me add more gel in the front. And if I'm doing a ponytail, I do not hold back on the gel, you guys. Usually I make ponytails when I'm planning to wear them just for a couple of days, and then I know for sure that my hair will be washed. So I do not hold back. I go ham with the gel. Yes. Alright, so I'm just adding a little bit of extra gel just to ensure that it is quite sleek. Okay, so now what I want to do is get my own hair protected, because even though I'm gonna add the Marley hair to make the ponytail, I honestly do not want to have my hair just, you know, loose. I think it's more protected if it is twisted or braided. So I'm just twisting it up just to keep the ends protected while I do this quick ponytail style. Alright guys, so I just tied it down for not too long, just a couple of minutes so that the gel can set. And I'm removing the hair tie now. And it's time to add my hair, and this is the hair that I'm using. It's not even a full pack, you guys, and this is the brand Zuri Marley braid. You can use whichever Marley braid or similar type that you have, but this is the one that I have, so that's what I'm using. And pretty much I'm just using a hair tie to secure the hair at the top, overlapping it just to create like a harness type of vibe, and this will be used to attach the hair to make the ponytail. Yeah, good to go. And I could have left it like this, but I think I'm gonna twist it just for a little high fashion vibe. Yeah, and pretty much that is it for my ponytail, you guys. I'm using a bobby pin just to secure it at the base. thank you guys for watching. Until next time, remember I post on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Remember to like, rate, subscribe, share the video, and tell a friend about natural hair dynamics. And until next time, deuces.